Okay. Where is the star? Where's the star? Star. Where's the monkey? Monkey. There's the monkey. Where is the apple? Apple. Apple. Where's the cake? Cake. Where's the ice cream? Ice cream. Ice cream? Yummy. Okay, next. Oh, wait lang. Yasha. Yasha. Come here. Yasha Bell. Yasha Bell. Where is the Yasha? Yasha Bell. Halika na, lesson na tayo. Halika na. Yan. Oh, where is the hand? Hand. Hands. Where's the mouse? Mouse. Where is the ball? Ball. Oh, ball. Oh, where's the sock? Yasha. Yasha Bell, where's the sock? Dali. Nasa closet. Halika na. Dito. Where's the sock? Sock. Where's the horse? Horse. Okay, next. Ito naman. Yasha Bell. Come here. Dali. Dito na. Dito pa. May lesson pa tayo. Oh, where's the umbrella? There. Where is the cat? Cat. How about the dog? Where's the dog? Dog. Where is the orange? Orange. Where's the lemon? Lemon. Lemon. Okay. Oh, last na, Yasha. Oh, Yasha Bell. Come here. Last na to. Okay na. Where is the elephant? Elephant. Where's the bird? Bird. Oh, where's the xylophone? Sleepy ka na? Where's the xylophone? Outside? Oh, show me where the xylophone. Wala na. Wala. Ayun. Very good. Ano ka na? Clap, clap na. Clap, clap. One more. Sige, wait lang.